Hey guys, glad to see you on my new YouTube video. Today we will talk about a pretty new game, FreeGuessr. So here you can see their URL. To open this website, just type in the search box FreeGuessr and click on the first link. This game is an alternative to Geoguessr, so you can just open it up and start playing for free. Okay, click on this button and the game is started. So can you guess where you are? Use Street View to figure out of your location. Now you need to find out this place on the map. Just hover your mouse over the map and find this place right here. So as you can see, this is Egypt. Select it and click on guess. And yeah, very close. So the game is pretty cool and I really advise you to try to play this game. Of course, at the top right you can find the menu button, change your settings, for example, disable effects or change language and so on. Well guys, I really hope my video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.